What's Gucci, everybody? It's AJ here again. I hope you're having a fantastic day, and I just wanted to show you guys a quick video of what I know about sets and maps. Now, this video will be primarily consisting of maps, but to give you guys a great overview, I'm going to start with sets first, which is an extension of maps, and then get more into maps at the end. So to start out the basics, a map, like I said, extends from a set, as you can see or read. And basically, a set is defined as a collection that contains no duplicate elements. So in a set, you just can't have any duplicates. And you'll see why that's important in a map interface in a second. Also in a set, there is no notion of order. So there are no indexes for remove or add. So all you care about in a set really is if an element is in the set or if it's not within the set. Now, a map fits all the rules of the set, but instead of being able to only have one element in it, it kind of has a key value pair. So the key value pair is a very important function of the set. The key is a unique value which follows the value of a set. And the reason because there is a key value pair in a map is that it allows for great lookup and great removal, or great just finding of elements. The key is a unique value just like a set. For instance, as you can see in this picture here, on the left I have 1, 2, 3, 4, which are the keys, and on the right I have the values, which are AJ, Jim, and Bob, drawn pretty poorly. And as you can see here, each key points to a value. And 1 points to AJ, 2 points to Jim, but 3 and 4 point to Bob. That's okay. Each keys can have duplicate values, but the keys are thought of as a set interface, and you can't have two keys that are duplicates. So a key is a unique value, as you see. Now for the maps, you have your basic methods. You can check for contains. You can see if a map is in your key value. You can either check for a key or value, and then you can check is the map empty. Obviously, you can check the size, and you can also add an element to a map. Now, when you add an element, you have to give it a key, and you give it a value. So, for instance, let's say you wanted to remove something. All you need is the key, because that will once it finds that key, since we know they're unique and there's only one of them. Then once we find that key in the remove method, we can simply take that value down with it. Now, maps are really cool because they're used a lot. Like, for instance, there are a lot of cases when there's a key value pair, or let's say you need any case where there's a unique ID, for instance, say a phone number or a social security number, and then your other value is going to be your name or whatever. Or you could do it the other way around, where you have your name is your key and then your value is your phone number. So you can have, if you have the names of the same family members, they each have the same home phone number. And so, for instance, that would be okay because you have multiple value pairs, but multiple duplicate value pairs, but still the same unique names. And so that would be okay. You can also iterate through a map. Even though there is no order in a map, you can iterate through all the elements and maybe apply a basic operation to them. And that's what's really cool about maps. Examples, I shouldn't have said there. Examples of maps include tree maps and hash maps, and I'm sure a lot more different types of maps if you just Google them. But that's all I've got to say for this tutorial, guys. I hope you like it. Please like it or comment below if you want me to do anything else, and check out my website if you got some time. I'll put it in the comments below, and subscribe if you really like everything. I hope you guys have a great day and a Gucci summer.